It's the face framing highlight for me, sis. Hey guys, it's Weezy, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you with a new wig review. Okay, I'm gonna keep this short and sweet because I just got off work, so we're just gonna do this, sis, okay? Butta Lace Unit 14, and I have her in two colors, Blush Hazelnut and Blush Caramel. Now, if you watch my review on Butta 16, you know I'm really not a fan. So we're going to check it out and see if it's better than Butta 16. And I will leave the link to that one right up here. You definitely want to check that out before you buy. Sensational Butta Lace Unit 14. Y'all ready? Let's go.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
Alright, sis, let's talk about this. I got a lot to say about this. But first, let me just cut to the chase.
I like her so much better than Butta Lace 16.
Alright. Alright, so this is Butta Unit 14. So I have her in the Blush Hazelnut, which is this little baby right here. Pretty. As well as the Blush Caramel, which is the one that I have on my head. So let's just do the basic stuff first. Big hair friendly, yes. I definitely feel like there's a lot of cap room. Pre-plucked hairline, I would say yes, although I could definitely go in and thin it out a little more. However, it's late at night. Girl, ain't nobody finna do that. I gotta go to bed. She is heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees. Sensational says that it's a virtually undetectable HD lace. Oh, we'll get back to that. She does have the wider parting, which I really, really love because she's got deep part and then it's wide here in the front to help you get that frontal illusion a little bit. It does have the ear-to-ear lace, and again, I feel like she is big hair friendly, so there's that. She does come in a number of pretty colors. I can't really show you this because my camera doesn't focus that well on stuff like this. So just, you know, sis, go on the website and check it out. Shedding. This is how much shedding that I got out of the hazelnut. Not bad at all. And this is how much shedding I got out of the caramel. Now, y'all, to me, this is nothing, especially when you consider how long this wig is. Like, this is long, long. So to get that small amount of shedding is a plus. Tangling, I definitely think that, yes, she is going to tangle. You're going to have to kind of keep either a big tooth comb with you or a brush. Now, you guys saw I did comb her out with my roller brush, and to me, she combed out much better with this than she did with a big tooth comb. I like when you comb her with the comb, she still has kind of like the straggly ends, but when you comb her with the roller brush, then it kind of curls. I can't even really show y'all because, dang, this thing's so long. But see, it kind of curls for you. But see how the ends are? So she is definitely going to tangle. You will probably need to put some heat on her to make her last. Baby hairs, she definitely does have some nice baby hairs. I didn't do baby hairs on the first one, but this one I just kind of just laid it here on the side because I didn't want to get too cray-cray. Also on the hazelnut unit, I showed her to you guys glueless because I wanted you to see that you could definitely wear her glueless lace. Let's get at it. Virtually undetectable HD lace, sensational. You tried it. No, ma'am. You guys, this lace, and I showed you all, is very clockable. And I'm in my studio and it's clockable, so I already know what it's going to look like outside. And that was the same, one of the same big issues that I had with the Butta Unit 16. Now, to me, Sensational just does not quite have the lace game just right yet. They close, but it's just not quite there. So what I had to do, you guys, is I went in and I did my fake scalp method on this caramel one. And as you can see, it did make the scalp look a little bit more believable. Because otherwise, and I'll try to put it either here or here, I'll put the other one. On the hazelnut, I didn't do the fake scalp method, and the lace is very clockable, as you can see. Now, if you guys don't know how I did this, girl, who got you? Wheezy. So I will leave a link right here of the fake scalp method that I do when my lace is clockable. So make sure you check out this video, as well as I'll leave an end card at the very end of this one. You can just click and go right to that video. And let me tell you, it does make a big difference, as you can see. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best wig I ever had, you guys, I like Unit 14 so much better. However, she is extremely long, which I love long Rapunzel hair. That's not for everybody. So I know we always say that we can cut it, but there's other options out there that you can get that you don't have to cut, sis, unless you just like cutting. But she is beautiful. I love the face framing highlight. I think the caramel one looks better on me versus the hazelnut. You guys have to let me know in the comments what you think. The biggest con that I have with this unit is the clockable lace. It's just, it's a no for me because of the lace. So as long as you can do the fake scalp method, sis, then you're fine. So did I rate this wig on a scale of 1 to 10? With 10 being the best wig I ever had? I would probably, oh God, I hate to say this out loud. How about a 6.5? If Sensational improved this lace like they have on the What Lace units, then this would be so pretty. I don't think that I'm a Butta unit fan. The What Lace, that's my jam. So I think that I will stick with that. However, I do have Butta Unit 13, Butta Unit 5, and I think 8 and 15 that I purchased to still show you guys. So I am going to still bring some to you. Maybe they will continue to change my mind. Sort of like this 14 is definitely better than the 16 to me. And I am really loving the middle part on this unit. I don't normally like middle parts, but this one is really, really, really cute. It's the face framing highlight for me, sis. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead, click that subscribe button, join the Weezette family, and share, guys. If you like this video, go ahead, give your girl a thumbs up. Not if you like the wig, but give me a thumbs up for my work. All right, I'm gonna have some outro pics for you, and I will definitely be getting the other ones reviewed as well. You guys have an absolutely blessed week. I love you to pieces, and remember, sis, what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'm out. Bye, y'all. Love ya.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper.